What's up, beautiful people? Hope you guys are doing great. So today I welcome you with another analysis editing breakdown video. Some legends beautifully worked on this project, and this is going to be super cool, super crazy video. And before watching this video, go to the description below and check out that video first, and then come back, and then you will understand that how I'm gonna do analyze and editing breakdown. I mean, so good, guys. I'm just watching this video for the very first time, and let's go for it. And I open up this video into Premiere Pro because I want to go to frame by frame analyze that video, what they did, and just let's go for it. Cool. Let's play this video. Okay, let's play this video. Okay, cool drone shot. Aidin Robins presents. Crazy cinematic stuff, like, and wait for it, like, hear up that sound in background, sponsored by Epidemic Sounds, because it's going to be amazing. Like, hear up that sounds, like insects are, and birds and jungle vibes. Super cool. Wow, cool. Look at this. This is just a beautiful. It's just amazing. Look at this. It is going to be super cool. Aidin Robins just made a tutorial about it. I'm not gonna explain it how he actually did that video. Link in the description for that. Also, you can just go and check out that video on his YouTube channel. Sounds. Wow. Super cool video. Let's go back and let's go for it. Like, this is super crazy. 5 frames back, and here's a super cool fast sequence, like first water, then a footstep, and then later another. Just crazy. And south of the BMW, it's coming very cool. Like, just sound like old radio. Like, it's beautiful, like forecasting that atmosphere on the Pacific North sounds. Great. And like, look at this. This is taken with the FPV drone. It's just looking amazing. And one of the best thing about Aidin Robins, he just collaborates so smoothly and beautiful. Music rising. Cool. TM's production, one of the TM's production is coming, and this car is from TM's production. So cool. FPV drone shot again. Very close up, smooth details. So good. Sound design is just getting perfect. Wow. So good. Drone shot. Close-up shots like that. And listen to the background sounds. It's just looking amazing. Like, sequence. And sound design is so important, and if you work any video, you just need to be master of your sound design, because it makes a very huge difference. Blown my mind. Like, beautiful, just beautiful. Aidin Robins just explained the atmosphere of that vibes, like, beautifully, just because Aidin Robins focus on the travel feels. So good. Water behind it. Just amazing. Again, that sound coming up. Raises just looking beautiful. Walking, and this, like, look at this. This frame is just amazing. The better composed, just beautiful, and the rays coming from person, like he's standing over here, and rays are coming. It's beautiful. Again, that sounds FPV drone shots again, and TM's productions coming over here. Top. So yeah, look at the sound of this area. It's just beautiful. FPV shots. And TMS is just wearing a yellow jacket, and Aidin is just wearing another one different. But here is Tommy. So cool, and look at this. This is just beautiful transition, like passing by. Like look at this. Super quick, and super zoom. Like how they do this? They just shot a video and then later half of the frame covered with the person and then they zoom out. Another zoom, and this is just looking amazing. Wow, super fast, super cool transition. Look at this. This is just passing by transitions, like super cool. One, two, another transition, go up over here, and then a side by side. Like it's just beautiful and so good. Like this transition was super cool. And Tommy's just super subtle, super smooth. Sound designs are just so good, and this Aidin Robins feels video. Wow, just hyped up the Aidin Robins style, and the drone is flying. What happened? The music was rising, and then a drone shot came by, and then so. I can hear the sound, alarm sound. Wow. Just beautiful. Color grading is so smooth, and wow, maybe he is making coffee, of course making coffee. And another one again, his Tommy, and super great filmmaker. And let's go for it again. Hear the sound. Music is rising. Wow, super smooth, like flame come by, flame, like he just blown up the flame and then cover up, turned into the transition, cover up, hold the frame, and then transition and back there, the mountain. Cool time lapse. Another time lapse, just looking beautiful. Another time lapse, another time lapse, another time lapse. Like it's just a sport. Cool. To people created by Aidin Robins. That's it. That was just a beautiful video. It was a super cool video, and if you really liked that video, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. This was a quick reaction video, analysis video, and many more beautiful stuff is coming. Go check out TMS production in Aidin Robins in the description below. And I left my job a few days ago to make more videos over here on YouTube. So please make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Till then, take care, goodbye. Dhanyavad.